Hello, Miss. I am Mary,
I'm Chloe.
and we will be presenting.
About the 5S at home.
So, what are the 5S at home? We have these, and Tommy, would you please care to read it out loud? And let's start with the English.
So here are the 5S at home. So there is sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain.
And what are the Japanese, you may ask? Well, we have Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. So now, let us explain.
And for the first one, sort. It means identify the color. It means that, for example, this. What is this? It is a marker.
Now, we have set. Arrange it. What does this mean? You basically have to take your item, find where it goes, and put it in.
And next is shine. It means clean it. So, if for example, this messy table, so now we have to clean it like this. Like that.
Next, we have standardize. Always do it. What does always do it mean? It means you have to repeatedly do it, and you basically have to keep your room clean at all times.
And lastly, sustain. It means repeat it every day. So you have to repeat cleaning your desk every day. That's all.
Now, it's time to clean! Hello, Miss. Hello, Miss. I am Mary.
I'm Chloe.
Now let us explain. So now, oh my god. Now we're gonna clean. We should time lapse this.
毛巾羽毛小鸭鸭，水温刚刚好。婆婆睡来做泡泡，今天真是美妙。大声唱歌扭扭腰。